Welcome to Real Wealth Mindset. This is the channel where we give you latest information about investment. And stay tuned and listen to what we're going to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about the dividends. We'll talk about dividend yield. So what is the formula in dividends yield? So for example, when we say a dividend yield is 6%, 10%, or whatever percent, the formula actually is dividend yield is equal to annual dividend per year divided by the number of the amount of stock, which is the stock price, times 100%. That will become the dividends that you will get when you invest in a dividends yield stock. So the dividend yield may not be the exact amount that you're going to get, because there is a formula that the company use to pay out when they want to pay out, which is annual dividends per share divided by stock price times 100%. So when you look at things like telecom, like AT&T and Verizon, their average dividend yield per year is between 6 to 8%. All right. When you look at consumer stocks such as Steeple, KO, and PG, the average dividends yield per year is 2.3 to 3.5%. So if you look at some type of ETFs, the ETF yearly yield dividend is around between 10 to 15%, depending on the variables. Okay, now I have two ETFs in my portfolio. These two ETFs that pays dividends, they are very essential, and I want you to write these two down. Number one is M as Mary, R as Robert, N as Nancy, Y as yellow. These particular ETFs pays me every month, and I can't even tell you the amount that they pay me. They pay me based on the amount of stock I have with them. The second one is C as Charlie, O as Oscar, N as Nancy, Y as yellow. These also pay me good dividends every month. Now, what is their annual dividends yield? I want you to guess. They are between 90 to 140%. What does that tell you? It means you'll be getting a lot of dividends. Amount that you're going to get when they pay their dividend out is going to be a lot. Imagine if you have 1,000 stock with this company. Another high dividends that I have for you, high paid dividends that I have for you, is S as Sierra, P as Papa, Y as yellow, I as India. And the fourth one is Q as Queen, Q as Quebec, Q as Quebec, I as India. Their percentage is around between 10 to 15% variables. These are the 4 ETF that pay good dividends that I would like you to key into. It is very essential for you to have a compound interest. How you build your compound interest can be based on the dividends that you receive from your stock, and that can be your secondary stream of income. I want you to like, share, recommend, comment, and click on the notification button so that whenever we drop a new one, you will be notified. Thank you and have a wonderful day.